Sump pump spring test. Here's a quick discharge and alarm check before the heavy rain hits. Start with power and the pit. Make sure it's plugged in, the breaker is on, the pit is clear of debris, and the float moves freely. Next, test if safe by slowly pouring water into the pit until the pump kicks on. It should turn on smoothly and pump the water out quickly. Then check the discharge. Water should exit away from the home, and the outlet should be clear. No leaks, clogs, or ice buildup. Finally, test your high water alarm if you have one, and consider a battery backup if power outages are common.